In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a file from Trello into Smartsheet. If you've been managing projects in Trello but want the power and structure of Smartsheet, importing is a great way to bring your existing boards over without starting from scratch. I'll walk you through exactly what to click and what to expect, so you can follow along on your own screen. First, go ahead and sign into your Smartsheet account and make sure you're on the home screen. On the left-hand side of the page, you'll see a vertical sidebar. Look for the plus icon there. This is your main starting point anytime you want to create something new in Smartsheet, whether it's a blank sheet, a template, or in this case, an imported file. Click on that plus icon in the left sidebar. As soon as you do, a menu or panel will open, giving you several options. From that list, find and click on the option labeled Import. This tells Smartsheet that instead of starting from a blank sheet, you want to bring in data from another source. Once you click Import, Smartsheet will display a set of choices that usually include different file types and external tools. Here is where Trello will appear as one of the import sources, depending on your plan and permissions. Select Trello as the source you want to import from. From this point on, all you need to do is follow the on-screen prompts that Smartsheet provides. The exact screens can change slightly over time, but the general flow is the same. You'll typically be asked to connect your Trello account, so be ready to sign into Trello or authorize access if a window pops up. This lets Smartsheet read your boards and lists, so it knows what to bring over. After granting access, Smartsheet will usually show you a list of your Trello boards. Choose the specific board you want to import. Take a moment to confirm it's the right one, especially if you have several boards with similar names. Then proceed through the steps Smartsheet shows you, such as confirming which lists or fields to include and what to name the new sheet. When you finish the prompts, Smartsheet will create a new sheet based on your Trello data. You'll see your tasks, descriptions, and other details laid out in a grid, ready for you to customize further, add columns, or build reports and dashboards on top of it.